How to create a shipping label on Shopify. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can create a shipping label on your Shopify account. First thing you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your admin account. And after that, on the left side of your screen on your nav bar, you'll find the app section where you have an option to add apps. Go ahead and click on it. Then you can find different kind of apps here. Click on View More at the bottom right of the window. Then you'll have an option to search for apps. So click on the search bar at the top and then simply search for shipping label. Once you've searched for it, you can go with the aftership shipping or you could go with anything else here. I just recommend you go with that one because it has a good rating. Once you've clicked on it, you will have to install this app to your Shopify. And once the app is installed, you're just gonna have to go ahead and continue with it. And now all you have to do is click on OK, and this will load up right here. If you previously entered your order information, it will automatically import that. Now just enter your ship location. Once you've entered all of your details, you've successfully installed the application. Now click on Print a Real Label. Once you click on it, you could create an order for you. So here, enter all of the details and then click on Next. And once you've done that, you should be able to create a label for your Shopify. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.